Evening YouTube, my name is Joshua Cullen. Thought I would do a quick video on my steam engines and the number 28 steam locomotive chugging out of the station. Basically, last Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I was down at the depot for about 7 to 8 hours for 3 days. Yeah, I put a lot of hours on my model steam engines, I can tell you that. I think I burned through about 2.5 gallons of distilled water, that including a jug that I had in my bedroom. Yeah, so I bought 2 extra, and I basically used them. I needed both of those. Yeah. So far that the turbine oil is working pretty well. Yeah. What helps is when you use the turbine oil, you use one of these. Sorry, I'm just grabbing stuff. That is a needle. This is a disposable syringe. Works great, but I wish it was a blunt tip, not a pointed tip. I could probably easily modify that. Yep. So yeah. So I took the videos on my phone. I didn't really feel like taking out my camera. I did not bring my new camera partially because it was a public place. You might hear double info. So that's basically what was up with me. I know I was gonna make a Steam video one of these days, but here it is. First I'm gonna show the number 28 chugging out of the station. Then I'll get to my model steam engines. I basically met 2 people there before basically during the show. Ken Bueller's dad, who is over 90 years old, or turned 90 years old about 5 or 6 days ago. Yeah, he has like 21 models. Yeah, he even has old Jensen grasshopper type where the cylinders on top. He had an Empire. He actually has 2 Empire steam engines. He also had like a upright with a cylinder on the side. He even had a model workshop that you press a button and it activates a DC motor. That was very interesting nonetheless. We chatted. He actually learned a lot from me just in the short time that we talked. Then I met another fella named Sam who works at the depot, who knows a lot about steam engines, and he's also a severe weather chaser. And he's actually building a model of Duluth, Minnesota, which is very interesting. I will link his channel in the description. He only has 3 videos up. They're 2 years old. I encourage you guys to take a look, and most likely he will be making new videos. Yeah. So I'll put his channel in the description. And J-Tree Fix It Man, you should take a look on it, what he's going to do with his Duluth City build, which is very interesting. Yeah, so my camera's still sitting here. I didn't take it. I did buy a new clutch cover for my car, so yeah, just one of those little odd bits. Yeah, I know I'm starting to get rambly. I was thinking about taking my Sterling engine, but I figured, nah. The reason why you don't see my erector set back there is in the tub. next to me. I still need to go through them, clean them, and oil them again. Yeah, it takes probably about 2 hours to do a good job after it's been running. Yeah. What I'd love to do is get a Jensen number 20 for next steam engine. And a Jensen 50 replica, which is about 5 grand. Yeah. Yeah, it's an actual power plant with a flyball governor that actually works. I'll put that in the description. I'll also put the number 20 in the description. I'll do them off the Jensen website just so you can get all information. I'll be right back. Hi YouTube, my name is Joshua Collins, and I do a quick update on my steam engines. Here they are. Here's my 70. Here's the 25 running just fine. I'm at the North Shore Scenic Railroad Museum for the steam weekend. I'm showing my house steam engines. I'm still running them. Sorry, it's been a long time since I've done a video on them. It's just been busy as heck. Here's the 25, running about 16.5 psi. There's the William Crooks behind me. Yep, still runs. Still using my record set. Yeah, it's been a long time. I've ran these for a good 21 hours. So this weekend, from about 9 to 3. So actually less than that, but I put quite a few hours on these steam engines this weekend. I've gone through about 3 gallons of distilled water. Yep. And yep, so still have these. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.